Hey there, welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to take you through step-by-step how to create detailed infographics from YouTube videos using Google's NotebookLM. There's a link in the description below where you can sign up. It's completely free to get started, and I just want to see what this is capable of because I've already created an automation over here in NAN to take YouTube videos, create LinkedIn newsletters and posts, and then also the detailed infographics using Nano Banana, and this is what they look like. So it's really amazing what it can do, but this took quite a few hours to build this, and I just want to see how much easier it can be using NotebookLM. So first of all, you're just going to want to come over to NotebookLM, and in this case, I'm just going to enter the YouTube URL of one of my latest videos, and from here you can either choose fast research or deep research, and I'm just going to choose web in this case, and we're just going to hit go. And now that's going to pull in the YouTube video, and here's a summary of what it's about. So this is one of my tutorials on Manus AI, and if I want to ask any follow-up questions here, I could just go ahead and say, what kind of software applications and games can Manus AI build? So it's going to take the summary that it pulled from YouTube Studio, and then I can ask questions using NotebookLM as well. But in this case, I just want to choose infographic. So I'm going to click on infographic over here. And as you can see, it's already generating the infographic from the YouTube video. So it's been running for a couple seconds now. We'll see how long it takes to actually generate the infographic. And then we can also create slide decks. We can create reports, audio overviews. We can even create mind maps through here as well. So this is just going to make my job a lot easier. Instead of running this automation every single time I want to create an infographic, I could just use NotebookLM instead. While that's running, I'm just going to ask Gemini, and it's going to go into thinking mode. You can see exactly what it's doing here. It's just analyzing and doing market research. And it says, NotebookLM is an AI-powered research and note-taking tool designed to help you synthesize information from your own sources. Unlike general-purpose AI, it is strictly grounded in the documents you provide, meaning its answers are based only on your data rather than the open web. So these are just some of the things that it can do. It can even create AI podcasts, which I have used it to do previously, and obviously the infographics. You can create voices as well. So we're just going to come back over here. It looks like it's still generating the infographic. This may take a little while. If I want to do the same thing using my automation over here, I could just click on run and enter the YouTube link, and now it's just going to start running the automation. And we're also going to time over here to see what the infographic looks like. So I'm just going to open this up, and boom, there we go. So that took my YouTube video and it created this infographic within about a minute and a half, using NotebookLM. Now, if you compare this infographic to the ones that I've created using Nano Banana Pro, I would say these are a lot more detailed, and you can see it doesn't mess up any of the text. All of the graphics look right. Compared to some of the older models, I would say Nano Banana Pro is the best. And if you want to get started with Nano Banana Pro, you can come on over to a platform like KIE here, both for photo generation, video generation, and also music generation. They've got Suno built in here as well. So if you want to get started with Nano Banana Pro, you just click here, and it will open up your dashboard right here, and then you can just enter your prompt. You can upload a reference image if you want, and you can also choose the resolution and the aspect ratio as well, and you can just run this. So that's essentially what my automation is doing right here. Is basically just generating that infographic in this loop right here. So it's just checking to see if the image is finished. Again, I've already created a full tutorial which is available on my YouTube channel showing how to do this. And one of the nice things about doing it this way is that you basically just use credits in KIE, and then you can do everything over here. So if I want to check the logs, I can see the infographic that it's generating right now. It's currently still running, and everything is available over here. I'm also using it for generating YouTube thumbnails. As you can see here, I've been using it a lot for creating my YouTube thumbnails. So very, very helpful. And I would say it is a bit more detailed in terms of what it can do compared to NotebookLM, although this is also very good. And if I want to create, like, let's say a slide deck for a PowerPoint presentation, for example, I could also use NotebookLM to do that as well. And we'll come back over to my automation here. It looks like it's still generating the infographic. So we'll wait for that to finish. As you can see here, I've got a lot of infographics. And mostly what I'm using this for is uploading on LinkedIn and to my newsletter, which is over here. So I can create these infographics within a couple minutes. I can also create the full LinkedIn post, the newsletter, everything, and then I simply upload them to LinkedIn over here in order to get more views. And at the bottom, I also include a tutorial which is available on my YouTube channel. So it's a great way to get more people over to my Skool community. And you're welcome to join my Skool community here. It's completely free to join. And we've got about 2,200 members in here at the time of recording. And then you can also access the classroom. A lot of these modules are available only for paid members, either premium or VIP members. But you can access some of these for free as well. So we'd love to see you inside the Skool community. Let's head back over to the automation here, and it looks like it has finished generating the image. It's also uploaded it to Google Drive, and now it's working on the LinkedIn post and the newsletter. So if we come back on over to Google Drive here, you can see here, this is, or it should be, the latest infographic, and there it is. So if you compare that to what NotebookLM created, it's definitely a lot more detailed because this is using Nano Banana Pro, and I don't know what NotebookLM is using, but overall it leaves a lot to be desired. So I would definitely prefer to use my own automation, but this is also very helpful if you just want to create something quickly on the fly and you don't want to, build a full automation like this. So in this case, I'm just going to save this infographic quickly and easily from Google Drive. So we're just going to come over to our infographics folder, and I'm just going to call this one Manus AI tutorial, right? So I've got the infographic, and yeah, if you want access to this automation template, it is available in my Skool community over here under templates. So you just click on templates. You will need to be a paid member in order to get access to all of these templates, but yeah, I highly recommend joining the Skool community. Click the link in the description below, and with that being said, thanks so much for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next one. Peace from Thailand. Signing off.